Quite like, you just bland, flat. Like, or maybe I'm just overthinking it.
I'm just trying to think, how am I bland and flat?
Like, I'll smile, thandeka.
How am I supposed to smile
Not
at?
smile. There's a resting face. I don't even have a resting face. It's just, it looks like you are not in a good mood.
I'm in an awesome mood.
Okay.
Can you please call us already? Because I would love to get my hair done the next time and call us. Because you said immediately now.
Why are you sitting there?
I don't know where I'm sitting. I'm just sitting. I didn't think about where I'm sitting. I just sat down
Come and sit
and drank my water.
Can come and sit here. Did you come in closer?
Yeah, I'm trying to because of this thing. Hold on.
Are you excited?
About what?
Are you excited?
About what?
About the dinner thing or the private...
Are you excited?
I am. I was just caught off guard by it. Because in my mind, I didn't even expect it anymore. I was like, fuck it. I'm Jay Nanji out of nowhere.
Yeah, I would have loved to be told before.